Hey there, this is a Google Sheet and Excel spreadsheet that helps you to track your income. I do have two separate spreadsheets for this. I have an income tracker and I also have an expense tracker. In case you need both, I do have them both available. But this one, just in case you need it just for income. So say if you're just tracking your income or tracking how much money you're bringing in for a school sport or something like that, then this would be a great tracker for you to use. So there's three tabs on the bottom. This one is the blank tracker, so you can use this as you wish. And then there's this tracker with just examples, and then there's the instructions. Now the instructions, it's going to have the link to the YouTube channel video whenever I'm done with it. And this is a very simple sheet. So you're just going to click into the cell and put the date. The source, so you can say if you're getting this from, if you're doing this from a team, you can put the person's name. If it's for your real job, you can just put, employer. A description, so you can say this is your weekly pay. And so say you make $500 this week, your method. So say you were paid via check. Category, this is employment. Notes, weekly check. So that's really how it works. Everything in the total income is going to add up everything in here. So if we had nothing in here, and if you made $1,000, then that's going to add up. If you wanted to change the color, just highlight all of this and then type fill color and you can change the color. If you wanted to add another column, click on the last column and right click insert column, and then you can put other if you would like. And then if you wanted to put in the rows, you would just click that. So that's how this works. It's a really simple sheet to use, and it's available at savvyandthriving.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.